MESA stock analysis. This is for tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Thursday and onwards, I'm saying. Mesa Air Group, 7% increase is solid. Although I'm not going to just immediately jump on the bandwagon of buying. It's a slow, steady kind of approach where Mesa, it's one of like the 39,000 videos that I've done over the last 5 years. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not, and I have all the data collected and approved. I'm taking the scientific method, you know, to approach this. And in this instance, if Mesa does not show me a little correction on the lower time frame, I'm definitely going to go for a scalp sort of thing. If it doesn't give me that, then why the heck would I try and force? I won't. Simple. So it doesn't seem like it's volatile enough for this to be traded, but for every instance, I'm going to have it here. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.